Interface. As you click on the CorelDRAW X3 icon, you will see a welcome screen followed by a splash screen. The welcome screen consists of New, New from Template, Recently Used Files, Corel Tutor, Open, and What's New. As you click on the New icon, this CorelDRAW X3 interface will be visible. This is the interface of CorelDRAW X3, which consists of Title Bar, Menu Bar, Toolbar, Toolbox, Property Bar, Drawing Window and Drawing Page, Horizontal and Vertical Ruler, Navigation Bar, Object Information Bar or Status Bar, Horizontal and Vertical Scroll Bar, Color Palette and Dockers. Let's see each one by one. Title Bar. This is the title bar, which displays the document's name in which we work. By default, the name of the document will be as Graphic 1. Menu Bar. This is the menu bar, containing all the menus and lists with submenus. We will discuss menus in coming lessons in detail. Toolbar. This is Toolbar, which contains all the shortcut tools. Toolbox. This is the toolbox, containing all the tools which will make our work easy, fast, and good. Property Bar. This is the property bar. When we choose any tool from a toolbox, property of the respective tool will be shown in the property bar. Drawing Window and Drawing Page. This entire area is called a drawing window, and this is the drawing page, where you can draw your drawing. As you can see here, for drawing page, a shadow is visible. When you double-click on a page shadow, it will directly take you to Option window, where you can modify your page settings like size, layout, label, and background. Horizontal and Vertical Ruler. By default, both horizontal and vertical rulers are visible. We can adjust the units by changing the ruler property, which will be discussed in coming lessons. Navigation Bar. This is the navigation bar, which is used to navigate from one page to another using these buttons. You can add new pages to your graphic by clicking these plus symbols. Object Information Bar and Status Bar. This is the object bar or status bar. As the name suggests, it gives all information of selected tools and X and Y values of the mouse pointer. Horizontal and Vertical Scroll Bar. Just above the status bar, as you can see, there are two scroll bars, horizontal and vertical. Both are used to scroll the work page up and down or left and right respectively. Color Palette. This is the color palette, which consists of extensive collections of colors and color combination shades. Dockers. Here are the dockers, showing all the options or properties for tools. After finishing this lesson, I hope you've become more familiar with CorelDRAW X3's interface. Print Preview dialog box. In this lesson, we will discuss about the Print Preview dialog box. Before giving your graphic for printing, you must see how your printed graphic output will look, using the Print Preview option. To open Print Preview dialog box, go to File menu and click Print Preview option. As you click Print Preview, you will find one warning window, which will appear if you are using Print Preview for the first time. For any graphic, click Yes, and the Print Preview dialog box will open. This is the realistic representation of our graphic, which will come out after printing. Choose your graphic. These dotted lines around the edge of the graphic are the non-printable area. Here to the bottom is the same navigation control to toggle between pages present in our graphic. In Property Bar, we have some of the options. For example, here is the first option. Image position within page. It provides you a full list of image positions in your graphic, like Fit to Page, Center of Page, Top Center, and many more. Let's choose Fit to Page. Have you observed the change that happened here? Our graphic has been forced to fit the page. The same way, you can choose any of the options. Let's go back to normal by selecting As in Document option from Image Position within Page. Let's take one more option from the list. Top left corner. Let's try to change some values by entering some new values in top left corner position and width and height. Are you able to see the changes occurring here? Try with different values. OK, we will reset it by selecting As in Document from Image Position within Page. So you can change dimension by entering your own values in Property Bar. Next is Scale Percentage. Here you can set the scaling percentage value. Let's modify some values and observe the changes. Reset the value and let's move to the next option, which is Aspect Ratio. If it's clicked or on, then whatever value modification you will do will be in fixed proportionate ratio. Next to this is an important option named Print Tiled Pages. This is an important and powerful option. You all know that we can easily make printouts of any graphic on one single page. But suppose you want to take a printout for some banners or hoardings. Then what will you do? Here is the answer. You can do it by using Print Tiled Pages option easily. Let's see how we use this option. Click it from Property Bar. As you click it, see your image is divided into parts. Here, you can resize your image. Just click on the image. Hold and drag the corner handle like this. If you want to increase the number of pages, drag your image till you are satisfied. See here, as the mouse is moving over each box, the white portion is visible. This is nothing really but space for sticking all the parts together after taking printouts of all the portions. Now, go ahead and design your own banners and hoardings for your own choice.